Welcome to Commercial Real Estate Consulting Group. If you're a real estate investor or thinking about investing, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about why you need a real estate coach. There are several reasons why someone may choose to work with a real estate coach. Expertise and guidelines. A real estate coach can provide expertise and guidance on how to navigate the real estate industry. This can include advice on marketing, lead generation, negotiating deals, and managing finances. Accountability. A real estate coach can help keep you accountable to your goals and plans. They can help you set realistic goals, create action plans, and hold you accountable for following through on them. Support and motivation. A real estate coach can provide support and motivation when you need it. They can offer encouragement during difficult times, celebrate your successes, and help you stay focused on your goals. Objective perspective. A real estate coach can provide an objective perspective on your business. They can help you identify blind spots, offer constructive feedback, and help you see opportunities you may have overlooked. Faster results. Working with a real estate coach can help you achieve your goals faster than working on your own. They can help you identify and overcome obstacles, provide shortcuts to success, and help you make the most of your time and resources. Overall, a real estate coach can provide valuable support, guidance, and expertise to help you achieve success in the real estate industry. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, a coach can help you get there faster and with less stress. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.